Welcome to Chapter 4, Part 8, where we're going to learn how to create new layers on the Layers panel. So the first thing I need you to do is open up 4-5, File 4-5. So go to File, Open, and then go to your Handout drive under this PC. Go to Business Handouts at the bottom, then Shonifer, Computer Graphics 2, Chapter 4, and then we're going to open up 4-5. We will be using this file for multiple parts, so please go ahead and save this as last name, first name, layer, intro, and save it on your H drive. If it asks you to update the links, go ahead and click Don't Update, and then File, Save As, last name, first name, and this will be layers intro. And go ahead and save that on your H drive. So what we're going to do first is we are going to open up our layers panel. So we need to come over to the right hand side. If your line is still open, you can go ahead and close that out. But we're going to come over here to the right hand side, our panels, and then we're going to click on the layers option. The layer panel has one default layer named layer 1, and all objects that are on this spread are saved in layer 1 right now. When we double click on layer 1, a layer options dialog box will open up. In this box we can change our settings for layer 1, such as its name and its selection color. We're going to type tints into this particular layer box for its name, and then we are going to hit OK. So we'll still leave it as that light blue color, and we won't worry about any of these options right now. Then we're going to go to the Create a New Layer button on the Layers panel, and we are going to select that button right down here in the bottom right hand corner. And when you hover over it, it'll say create a new layer, and then your other option is delete a selected layer. So we're going to create a new layer, and it'll automatically create one with the new color and the name Layers 2. We're going to double click on this layer, and we are going to name it Images. And we'll go ahead and leave this color. Actually, we're going to change it to orange. So we're going to click on this drop down, go to orange, orange, change our color to orange, and then we're going to click OK. Now we're going to click on the Layers panel option again, and we're going to select a new layer a different way. So remember, our panels option is always in that top right hand corner with the lines through it, and we're going to select New Layer. We're going to call this one Text, and we are going to select a color of purple. So scrolling down until you find purple, and then hitting OK. So go ahead and save your work, but do not turn it in, as you will need this file as we move on through additional parts in this chapter.